Welcome to my channel Evershine. My name is Surbhi. Today we will discuss a high level coded stack based puzzle for banking mains exams. But before starting, I request you to please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest video updates. Let's start. 8 books P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W are placed one above another in a stack. So there are 8 books which are placed in a stack one above the another. Each book contains different number of pages 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80 but not necessarily in same order. So following is the information given in coded form. M plus n means book M will be placed above n. M hash n means M will be placed below n. M @ n means M is placed next to n. Now what is the meaning of this next? M will be placed either immediately above n or immediately below n. Fine. N is similar to adjacent. Fine. M% means M is not placed next to n. M is not adjacent to n. M star n means M and n have 2 books between them. M minus n means M and n have 3 books in between them. Now see, M hash star n will mean M hash n means M is placed below n. So star means there are 2 books in between them. So M hash star n will mean M is placed below n and there are 2 books between them. Fine, and so on. Now it is given that this thing. Now we are given with this. We have to arrange according to these conditions and we have to find how the books will be placed in a stack. Now see, where small letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H represents the books having 10 pages, 20 pages, 30 pages, 40 pages and so on respectively. Now this small letter A shows the book that contains 10 pages and this small letter B for book having 20 pages. Fine. A to H. It means book having 10 pages, 20 pages. C means book having 30 pages, 40 pages, 50, 60, 70 and 80. Fine. Now see, W plus star U. W plus, now plus means W is placed above U and star means there are 2 books between them. Fine. So it will be like this, W dash dash U. See the next one, W @ C. @ means W is placed next to C. Now what is this C? This C means book that contains 30 pages. So W will be adjacent to the book having 30 pages. It can be like this or like this also. Fine. Now see the next one, P hash star Q. Hash means P is placed above Q and star means they have 2 books in between them. So it will be like this, P dash dash Q. S @ U means S is placed adjacent to U. It can be like this or it can be like this also. See the next one, P plus star V. Plus means P is placed above V and star means there are 2 books between them. So it will be like this, P plus star V. P hash star V. P hash star Q means P is placed below Q. Fine. Now see, C plus star D. Now the book having 30 pages is above the book having, D denotes the book having 30 pages and star denotes there are 2 books in between them. So it will be like this. Fine. Now see the next one, V star C. V and the book having 30 pages have 2 books in between them. Fine. So it can be like this or it can be like this. A plus star C. A, the book having 10 pages is above the book having 30 pages and there are 2 books in between them. It will be like this. Fine. See the next one, H plus minus F. Now H means the book having 80 pages and F means book having 60 pages. Now H plus means H is placed, this book having 80 pages is placed above the book having 60 pages and minus denotes there are 3 books between them. So 80 and 60 will have 3 books in between them. See the next one, T percent D. Now what is the meaning of percent? T is not adjacent to the 1. D means having 40 pages. So T will not be adjacent to the one having 40 pages. Fine. E star C. Now E is the book having 50 pages. Is star means not adjacent to the one having 30 pages. Fine. See the next one, B plus G. B plus G. B is the book having 20 pages and G book having 70 pages. Plus means the book having 20 pages will be above the book having 70 pages. U minus R. Minus means U and R will have 3 books between them. So it can be like this. We don't know U will be above R or R will be above U. Fine. Now see how to solve this. We have to arrange these books in a stack form now. See how to start. We don't know W, we can't start with W at least. W and U have 2 books in between them. We have to draw so many possibilities. Fine, we can't start it with this. See here Q and P have 2 books in between them and P and V have 2 books in between them, and we know that P is below Q and P is above V. So it means we have to start from here. Q dash dash P. P and V have 2 books dash dash V. Or it can be like this, Q dash dash P dash dash V will come here. Fine. So this is done. Now see anything related to these 3 books. Yes, V and the book having 30 pages have 2 books in between them. We have V. So 1, 2. 30 can come here. 1, 2. 30 will come here. Fine. Now see the book having 30 pages and 40 pages have 2 books in between them. We have now 30 pages book. So 1, 2. This will be 40. 1, 2. Here this will be 40. This is done. Now see the next, this one. 10. 2 books, then 30. 10 will come here. In this case 1, 2. 10 will come here. Fine. Now see the next one. Yes. W is adjacent to the one having 30 pages. So this is 30. So W can be here or W can be here also. See this case, this is 30. W can be here or W can be here. So we have to make 2 more cases. Fine. Now W can be either immediately above 30 or immediately below 30. In this case W can be either immediately below above the one book containing 30 pages or it can be immediately below. Fine. So this is done. Now see the next one. W and U have 2 books in between them and U is below W. So this is W. 1, 2. U will be here. 1, 2. Book U will be here. 1, 2. Book U will be here. But in this case we can't place U. Fine. So this case will be rejected. Now see the next. 80 and 60 have 3 books in between them. So see if I place 80 here. 1, 2, 3. 60 will come here. Yes. Now see next. If I place 80 here. 1, 2, 3. No. 60 will can't come here. 60 will not come here. We don't have any other possibility. So we have to place 80 over here only. 1, 2, 3. 60 will come here. Now check for this one. If I place 80. 1, 2, 3. 60 can't come here. If I place 80 here. 1, 2, 3. 60 will come here. This is done. Now see the book T and the book containing 40 pages are not adjacent to each other. Now this is 40 pages book. So T will not come here. So T will come here. And yes. So in this case we can't say because T is already not adjacent to 40 books. Fine. Now see the next one. Okay, we have left with one condition, this one. Book U and S are adjacent to each other. So this is U, this will be book S. This is U, this will be book S, because they are adjacent to, they are next to each other. Fine. Now see, the one book that is left is R. So book R will be placed here. Fine. Now see the next one. The book that contains 50 pages and 30 pages, they both are not next to each other. So 50 will not come here, 50 will not come here. Here it will be 50. 50 will not come here, 50 will not. So here it will be the book that will consist of 50 pages. Fine. Now see the next one. The book containing 20 pages is above the book having 70 pages. So here it will be like this, and here 20 will here and 70 will come here. Fine. Now see the next. U and R. Book U and R have 3 books in between them. This is book U, 1, 2, 3. Here it will be book R, and one left is, that is T. So now check for this one. U and R have 3 books in between them. No, U and R have only have one book between them. So this case will also be rejected. So this is your final solution. Fine. This is how you have to deal with coded stack based puzzles. Now see the questions. Which of the following statement is true with respect to the given information? Book R contains 50 pages. Now check. Book R contains 50 pages? No. The book which contains 20 pages is immediately below the one which contains 30 pages. Is 20 pages book is immediately below the 30? No, it is immediately above. So see the next. There are 2 books between book W and the one which contains 60 pages. W and 60 pages have 2 books in between them. So this is W, this is the book 60. Yes, these have 2 books in between them. So right answer here is option C. Fine. Now see the next question. Which book is exactly between the book which contains 30 pages and book T? Now the book containing 30 pages is P and T. Which book is exactly between these two? Book R. Fine. So the right answer here is book R containing 80 pages. So right answer क्या आ जाएगा यहाँ पे? The book which contains 80 pages. Fine. So option C is the right answer. See the next question. 4 of the following are alike in a certain way and so form a group. Which of the following does not belong to the group? You have to select the odd one out now. U, W. See what is the relation between U and W? Here it is U and here it is W. We can see that there are 2 books in between them. See the next. R, S. R and S have 2 books in between them. Q, P. Q and P also have 2 books in between them. V, W. V and W, these have 3 books in between them. So yes, this is the odd one out because all the other pairs have 2 books in between them, but V and W have 3 books in between them. So this is the odd one out. Fine. So option D is the right answer here. Now see the next question. Which of the following represents top and bottom of the stack respectively? Now read the word respectively carefully because top and bottom, we have to tell the top and the bottom of the stack respectively. Firstly you have to tell the top and then bottom. Fine. Here it is top. Top is T, VT or TV. We have 2 options, TV, VT. Fine. The top is, which book is at the top of the stack? Book T. And which book is at the bottom of the stack? Book V. So right answer is respectively bola na. So top is T and bottom is V. So don't mark VT. No. Here right answer is option B, that is TV. Fine. I hope you liked this puzzle. If you liked it, then please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest video updates. If you have any query, you can write it in the comment section or you can email me at the email ID given in the description box. Thank you for watching my video.